Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this Diagnostic World video. In this video we're going to be looking at the iCarsoft US version 2.0 kit, which is suitable for Ford, Holden and Lincoln vehicles. In this vehicle we are in a Ford Focus and it has a few warning lights on the dashboard there. I'll come to those in a moment, but this kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com, and we'll put the link to this kit in the description below this video. So right now we have this tool plugged into the diagnostic port, which is right about down there. But more importantly, you can see we have the handbrake warning light, we have the ABS warning light, and we have the traction control warning light showing on the dashboard. This is generally, not saying always, but generally a sign that there is a faulty ABS sensor in the vehicle, and we're going to use this tool to actually diagnose that and just get absolute confirmation of that. So we've got the tool plugged in, as I say, and we're going to use these toggle buttons here to just navigate our way through the menu, but it's really simple to do. So what I'm going to do is just click on to diagnostics, so click that, and we'll click Ford. Well, actually, sorry, it also covers General Motors and Jeep and Chrysler as well. So covers Ford for all regions, so it'll be well, it certainly does the American market and the European market. I'm not 100% sure on the Australian market, I'd have to double check, but let's go to Ford. Let's just click OK to that. Click on to manual scan, so it means we're going to scan the car manual or each individual system that we wish to. So you can see you're presented with a range of systems that you can actually diagnose, 28 in total on this vehicle. Powertrain, which is the engine, ABS, TCS or anti-lock brake traction control system, that's what we're interested in. You can also got the restraint control, that's the airbags, and obviously various others. So we'll click on to ABS. Generally takes a few seconds just to connect to the vehicle, and we'll click on to read fault code. Let's click that one, click OK to that. Lights are flashing, so it's interrogating this system, and here we have the fault code. It's C0034. The state is continuous, so that means it's a current fault. And then we've got right front wheel speed sensor. So the wheel speed sensor is another term for an ABS sensor. So that's exactly what we assumed, but obviously this is ultimate confirmation that the front right ABS sensor is faulty. So what we really need to do now is just simply put in a new ABS sensor. ABS sensors are generally quite cheap and generally about £20, but make sure you get the right one for your vehicle. Once you've done that, then you can actually come back into the vehicle and erase the fault codes, and obviously all of the warning lights will completely disappear. Very important to look after your car, especially the braking system, because if you're not getting full effect from the brakes, then the car can be dangerous. In the UK, and I'm not sure about other states or other areas, but certainly in the UK, if you had these warning lights on the dashboard, it would fail an MOT, which is a yearly test, by the way, to those outside of the UK. So as I say, that's the iCarsoft US version 2.0. As I say, it does cover a range of vehicles and a range of systems within those vehicles. It's highly recommended tool. It's a great tool, and it is available, as I say, at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com, and I'm going to put a link to this kit in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.